Alright lovers, today I'm going to show you how to cook an egg if you ain't got a frying pan and you're like out in nature, you know, out in Cornwall somewhere. So here's how to cook it. All you need is an egg, one of these here little candles, cheap, you can get them anywhere really. Obviously you need some matches to light the candle, and this here, you get these off of champagne bottle, you know, holds the cork on like that, and all I've done is untwist it like there, and that's going to be our stand for our egg cooker. Okay, so let me show you how to do it then. Right then, so what you want to start with, you want to put your candle on a flat surface and then put the champagne thing that comes on the bottle where the cork is on top. Matches, never touch, they might hurt you very much. Next thing I'm gonna do is light the candle using a match, right? Not too difficult. Light your fire, light your candle like that, just like that. Right lovers, I forgot to tell you that you want to begin by making a small hole in the egg there, like. So when you sit them on the fire, the pressure inside will escape, so it won't explode, you know. So get your pinner like that. What you want to do is just scratch them a little. Alright, so you see there I made an hole, and that's actually perfect size hole. I was going to say you want to widen them a little bit, just let the pressure out so we don't get too hot, you know. Anyway, now we're going to put him on the fire and I'm going to show you him cooking. Alright, all I'm going to do is put him on the fire. Make sure you balance him, you don't want him falling off. That's really inconvenient when your egg fall off, because then well, he's not going to cook proper, is he? You can already see he's starting to heat up here. If I show you on here, he's currently at 36, like that. Now, watch what happens as he cooks, alright? You see that black smoke coming off? That's where he's cooking. But all the pressure is going to escape through that hole there, look. And the heat is rising around the egg, and you can cook him up lovely. You're going to see this in a minute. You see there, he's rising up, look. Getting warmer. He's cooking. Lovely. Oh, he's cooking nice. Nice and crispy, that's going to be. And of course you can have your egg however you like it. If you like him with ketchup, you may have some ketchup. If you like him with salt, I mean, I like mine with salt and pepper. I brought it around this side so you can see arms going black. That means he's cooking, that's alright. That's good. That's just how you want him, that is. That's just how you want him, like. Lovely. So it's about 2 minutes later, and he's cooking away there. So the question you're probably thinking is, how do you know when he's cooked? Well, the hole, when you look in there in that hole, and my camera might not be able to show you, but you should be able to see he looks cooked, you know? When the top of the egg looks cooked, that means the bottom of the egg's most probably cooked, and he's cooked all the way through. And that's what I'm looking for. You listen, you can hear him cooking away there. He's crackling. Crackling away. Well, in just a moment I'm going to take him off. It's been about 3 minutes. That's how long it takes. And I'm going to take them off and crack them open and have myself something nice to eat. All of that stuff coming out the hole, that's flavour. You don't want it all to come out, but it is cooking. That's a good signal that it's cooking. See that? Egg. So we let them go about 5 minutes there, and all this horrible slime is dripping out the hole. That's the bit you don't like. That's the white bit of the egg. The yellowy, orangey bit of the egg still in there. He's not come out the hole. But the fire, as you can see, is not long left in him. But this is a bit of a cheap candle, so he only got about 5 minutes maximum in there really, and he's partially mixed with the white of the egg there, and that's not going to do him any good. But I'm going to take the egg off now and give him a taste, and it's the taste test that matters, isn't it? So I'm going to taste the flavour and see if he's any good. Alright, so I got myself a spoon and a bowl, and now I'm going to crack them open and taste it. Right, so get yourself some kitchen roll like that, fold him up like that, so you're not going to burn your fingers when picking up the egg, because remember, he is quite hot, and he's going to be quite hot inside, and you don't want to burn yourself. Ideally, you do want to let him cool down a bit, but I don't know. I'm going to do it now and show you what he's like. He is a bit black on the outside. That's a bit of char, that is. He is very warm still. He is cooked on the inside, I believe. He is cooked. Now what you can see there is, I'd say, a quarter of the way done really. You want to use a bit more, a candle that lasts a bit longer. Well, that's not as cooked as well as I hoped it'd be, but that's the problem when you're using a too small a candle really. Ideally you want to cook this on a frying pan and on a cooker, but I'm showing you how to do it with a candle. And as you can see, he's a bit runny on the inside, but I'll tell you how he tastes, shall I? That is good actually. I like eggs. Like I say, you can see he's mostly cooked. He's just not completely cooked, and that's unfortunately due to the candle that was too small. But he is still delicious, as you can tell by hearing me gobbling on it. That's a good egg, that is. And that's how we cook an egg using a candle and a champagne thing. Thank you for watching. Bye.